you talk about some of the downfalls of gaming, but how can gaming actually help us learn in the business world?
That's an interesting premise. Certainly we know with gaming that it releases a chemical in the brain called dopamine, and dopamine is related not just to addiction, but also arousal and reward. It's something that we like to get shots of with dopamine. So in one sense, I suppose anything that you wanted that triggered dopamine, that would be something. But myself, I'll challenge the premise. I don't think in the corporate world having people playing games, gaming, is necessarily going to be what you want. It depends what you want, you might want people in a particular organization who've got strong, like you might want drone pilots, for example, that'd be great, or endoscopic surgeons, another one. But it's hard to see how, in terms of anything that relies on interpersonal relationships, on judgment, on reflection, on imagination, I cannot see how a world that frankly is a childlike world of goodies and baddies, that is not nuanced. I can't see how that will give them insights into the human condition. And can you imagine, for example, King Lear as a video game? No.
Right. So maybe for organizations that have
And what's sad about video games is I think it infantilizes people, and by definition the characters are two-dimensional almost. There's no nuances. So when you play a video game, you don't care about the princess. If you read a novel about a princess, you care about her. And they're both fictional princesses, but you care about a princess in a book because she has a context, she has relationships, she has a life like you.
Right.
Someone's just a vicon in a video game.